how I eat my nuts. I eat my nuts and seeds a few times a year, fresh from the tree as Mother Nature intended. If we look to Mother Nature, there is no high-fat diet whatsoever that's year-round. It would be impossible to procure more than 10% of your calories in fat per, in a course of a year. People go, oh, you can store your nuts, and it's like, man, the nuts would go moldy. All those nuts that you see in the shop, they've been dehydrated. Even in their shells, they've been dehydrated for shelf life. And if something's been marketed for shelf life, that means shelf death. It means the nutrition in your food has just been gone. There is no dehydrated nuts in nature, I'm sorry. Dried sultanas, yes there is. You go to the grapevines end of autumn and you'll find the sultanas and raisins and the dates. But here's a little almond tree, check it out. That's what an almond looks like. That's an almond. It's so yeah, it's really it's alright, but it's you're not gonna it's you know what I mean? It's different to the stuff you get in the shop, man. Sure, you can get that one is probably a bit green, but the birds get most of them. There's almonds in this season. We grow a lot of almonds around here, and it's only like a 1 week to 2 weeks a year where the almonds are just perfect. So 2 weeks out of 52 weeks, it's not much. It's a very small window that fats are available in nature. Very small window, and then when you eat them off the tree, you have maybe 5 or 6 or 7, and you're like I'm done. There's no like almond butternut pates and cashew cakes and all that. So people have this paranoia, oh my god, there's fruit, there's sugar, there's sugar, it'll rot my teeth, it'll make me crazy, it'll give me bipolar, it'll rot my teeth out, it'll give me candida, it'll give me diabetes, and I'll get fat eating fruit. It's like, man, if you've got fat eating fruit, then how come I'm so freaking lean, It's like, sure, I trained with Lance Armstrong with the guys and that when I raced, but, let's get back to the original excuse that, fruit will make me fat. That's just a load of crap, isn't it? It's quite the contrary. Fruit will make you so lean, you'll be like, oh my god, I feel like a super athlete. I've got so much energy and so much fuel. Today I've done 4 hours with Oscar Pereira and the gang. He won the Tour de France in 2006. You get so much fuel in this lifestyle. You'll have so much energy, you won't know what to do with it. And if you don't transmutate their raw energy into living your life purpose, you will go back to cooked food. You will go back to animal products. You will go back to eating crap to numb the energy, to slow you down. I coach people with chronic fatigue, man. I've seen some just profound transformations by putting someone on a low-fat, raw vegan diet, aka 811. This is amazing. So if you do the right things, you'll get the right results. Just like this path here. I can go on the other side of the path and risk head on. I can stay on my side of the path, the correct path. There's 2 ways to do 811. There's the right way and there's the wrong way. Both have different end consequences. So if they'd be saying you're doing something if you're not doing it. Why lie to people? Why confuse people? Why make the truth sound, bad? Why not just admit, well, I don't have the discipline to do it, I don't have the desire to do it, I don't want to do it. That's okay, fair enough. No one has to feel amazing. Let's just stop the bullshit saying, oh, I tried that thing, it didn't work. It does work. It works in freaking everyone. Why? Because we have one human species specific design. Every cell in the human body is fueled by glucose and fructose. So if you think you need more fat because your body type, that's just pure hype, man. You got suckered. So alright, I'll see you on the road. Take care.